You could make money from product placement in addition to having advertisements on your videos. Many people use YouTube to pass the time while watching cat videos, product reviews, or other video games. Others see it as a means of earning money. Although being a professional YouTuber may sound appealing, you'll need to work hard to get started, and there's no guarantee that your efforts will pay off. Other choices should be considered if you're trying to make a fast buck. You may be able to make money on YouTube if you're already a frequent video producer and are willing to put in the extra effort. Here's what you need to hear about it. How to make money on YouTube. Number 1, fill out an application for the YouTube Partner Program. You must become a YouTube partner in order to receive money directly from the platform. There are many ways to benefit after you've done so, but you must first meet the following criteria to become a partner. Your videos must meet the site's advertising guidelines and have accrued more than 4,000 legitimate public watch hours in the previous 12 months. You must be a resident of a qualifying city. You'll need more than 1,000 people to sign up. A Google Adsense account must be connected. The more videos you have, the more easily you can fulfill the viewing hours criteria. It pays to put effort into planning and development of high-quality, entertaining videos because they are more likely to get views. Once you've met the criteria, go to your profile and look under the monetization section to apply. Ads, subscription perks, and features like Super Chat, which allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during a live stream, are all ways for you to make money as a partner. Number 2, join the Google Adsense program. You must link your channel to Google Adsense, the company's advertising system, in order to be accepted as a partner. Advertisers bid for video space using AdSense based on factors like your audience, video subject, and related keywords. In general, you'll be paid based on the amount of impressions your videos get, which corresponds to how many times someone sees or clicks on an ad. However, since advertisements do not appear every time anyone watches a video, views do not always equate to money in the bank. Often, YouTube takes a share of the ad revenue. The amount isn't disclosed. Payments will be made until your account balance hits $100. So if you have a limited channel, you will only be charged every few months. Since Google, which distributes AdSense fees, does not subtract the entire tax obligation, you may want to set aside some of that money for taxes. Number 3, go to YouTube Premium. AdSense isn't the only way for partners to benefit from YouTube. You can also upload videos to YouTube Premium, the ad-free subscription feature on the web. You'll get a cut of the membership fees depending on how many times members watch your videos. Number 4, viewers could be sold goods or services. If you have merchandise or a service that your audience will be interested in, let them know about it and include links in your videos. Ryan Kaji, the star of children's YouTube channel Ryan's World, for example, sells toys, t-shirts, and other merchandise. You need to buy supplies or find a manufacturer to sell a physical product, but you can also sell downloads like ebooks or art prints. Before you advertise your products, make sure you have a safe payment system in place. Number 5, get to know your fans in real life. YouTubers will interact with their fans and sell merchandise at meetups and similar events. They're typically better for those who have large number of involved and committed subscribers. Those with smaller crowds may choose to avoid ticketed events and instead focus on merchandise sales. If your videos, for example, teach viewers how to draw, you might hold a free class in a nearby park and then sell your book of drawing techniques. Number 6, make use of crowdsourcing. Crowdfunding is divided into 2 categories, ongoing and project-based. Recurring crowdfunding allows donors to pay a set sum on a regular basis. To transform a channel into a significant income stream, you'd want to optimize this form of funding. Viewers can be enticed to sign up by incentives such as one-on-one video calls, private lessons, or merchandise. A project-based crowdfunding campaign is the way to go if you have a project concept that needs funding. Use sites like Indiegogo, Kickstarter, GoFundMe, or Patreon to get started. Number 7, the media can use your content if you give them a license. When a video goes viral, every news organization needs a copy so that they can show it to their viewers. Known media firms, on the other hand, are well aware that they must pay for what they use. And there you have it, another way to earn money on YouTube. Making sure you're easy to find as a content creator will help you license your most popular work to the media. Step 1. Update your contact information on your About tab. It's impossible to predict when lightning would strike. Set up a default email address that you can use for company inquiries even though you don't have a business manager. Step 2. Become a member of a video rights marketplace. Jukin Media is an excellent place to begin. Even if you don't have a viral video, like the Chewbacca mask lady, news organizations often require current footage to supplement their coverage. If you have unique footage of a major natural catastrophe, plane crash or locust disease for example, Jukin has an entire catalog of newsworthy videos to which you can add. YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have built an online following by producing content aimed at educating, entertaining, reviewing, and generally being awesome. Many of these small-screen actors do what they do purely to fulfill an urge to build and perform in front of an audience. Though making money may not be your primary motivation for starting a YouTube channel, the wealth of earning opportunities is a nice surprise once you know how many there are. Many of the monetization techniques mentioned above include promoting goods or promotions. Example, crowdfunding a video series. However, you must ensure that your promotions do not jeopardize the quality of your material. Many musicians are worried about selling out. However, if you never inquire, you will never receive. You may select from a variety of placements to promote your products or campaigns. Most artists are motivated to create by something other than money. It's the concept of having something for the rest of the world to appreciate. However, in a world obsessed with material, this puts them in a fantastic place to actually make money. Although many companies struggle to capture and hold their audience's attention, YouTubers have already mastered this skill. All that's left for you to get creative about is how you want to monetize your passion, to harness the entrepreneurial drive to pursue new ideas. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.